Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. These are general collective readings, Capricorn, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, okay? Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most today. Thank you. So Capricorn, let's begin your reading. Thank you, all my subscribers for keep coming back here, being with me again. And yes, if you're new here, Capricorn, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Oh my God, Capricorn, what's happening here? I have a King of Swords and a Queen of Swords in reverse, not being able to work things out at the moment. Not wanting to shut the chapter down either, both feeling maybe depressed and angry and sad at the moment. And I end with the Empress, so I'm not worried here. Yes, a choice needs to be made. There's a strong bond, connection that you guys feel a lot of chemistry, a lot of passion towards each other. You guys really don't want to shut things off either, right? You don't want this chapter to end out completely, even though right now I think you both don't trust each other. There is jealousy, there is anger, there is whatever. I mean look at this King of Swords with the Queen of Swords, both kind of miserable, not being able to work out your differences, but also then sad and depressed. Somebody is now going to kind of, I think, take a step back. I think who's the Queen of Swords is going to now take a step back and say, hey, listen, I'm going to retreat. I mean, from this battle that we've been going through, I'm retreating, I'm halting, and I'm going to start concentrating more on myself because I do deserve the best. I'm the Empress. So let's start with some dialogue message cards, Capricorn. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be first. Then we'll clarify these cards. So Capricorn and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Capricorn and their person, thank you. And we'll take a few from here. Capricorn and their person. And a couple more from here. Okay, done. All right, Capricorn, let's begin your reading. So the first card here says, the ball is in your court now, as I've done everything I can to get this connection to move along. We're at a standstill now until you come forward now with your feelings and put the wheel into motion. Right? That's what I said. Somebody is now saying, I'm putting this at a standstill now. I'm taking a step back. I'm retreating. I've done whatever I could. I'm the Empress. I'm not going to move now till you now come towards me. Okay, second card says, your inconsistent behavior has caused my family to have concerns and trust issues regarding you. This has now created another barrier for us to navigate and overcome. We are getting older and wasting precious time playing these dumbass runner-chaser games. Let's just level the F up already. Are we doing this or what? So as much as there's anger, resentment, not being able to work things out, not wanting to shut the chapter down either, because you both miss each other, both get depressed without each other. So saying, hey, enough, we've done it so many times over, let's now stop. Let's just kind of, work it out. I would like you to meet my friends. I want you to be involved in all areas of my life because you are my world and I want everyone to know. I hate it when I communicate with you and you could keep the conversation going, but you shut it down. Can't you tell I'm trying to get you to coerce it out of me? I want to tell you what's going on with me, but I can't just come out and say it, damn it. So this communication problem, big time. And even when there is communication, maybe there is digs being made at each other or harsh words being used, or no softness in communication from what I feel. No matter how complicated this gets, I won't ever give up on you or us. See, as much as you guys are not getting along, the love is still there. I'm in a relationship with someone else. Still, you're always on my mind and in my heart. All I want is you. Maybe they say these kind of things to trigger the other person. Our relationship has suffered irreparable damage. There is a huge void in my life since you've been gone. And I think the person who's gone is this Empress. The Empress is looking away from this entire spread and saying, hey, I'm going to heal myself now. I'm calling quits for the time being. Okay, I'm sorry about the noise, Capricorn. I don't want to shut the reading down in the middle. Or maybe I should just pause it for a while. Okay, it's gone. Alright, so I'm going to take an angel blessing card first, Capricorn. Then I'll clarify all these cards. My angels, blessing, generosity. I was going to ask for a blessing, guidance, advice, and here's the advice. I think it's time to be generous, not just with yourselves, but also with each other. Be generous with your words, be generous with your time, your effort. Whoever's not been giving to the connection, I think it's time to give now. You can't keep holding back. I think both of you have been, or maybe one has, and that's made the person feel very angry and distrustful now of this connection. Put this card here. And let's start clarifying these cards. King of Swords Spirit in reverse. King of Swords in reverse. King of Swords in reverse. Oh, this noise is bothering me. I hope it's not bothering you guys that much. I think somebody just made false promises here. This card came out sideways. So maybe sometimes they would come with, romance, and sometimes not, sometimes break promises. This was never consistent, the effort made by this King of Swords. And that's the reason I think somebody walked away from this connection. Maybe there were third parties, I don't know. Three of Pentacles, Spirit? Yeah, somebody could have always been, saying, I'm still choosing, I have a choice between two. Maybe there was a third party in the mix here. That didn't make this Queen of Swords feel very strong in this connection. They felt that, I can't be waiting around forever for this person to... This inconsistent behavior is not doing anything for me. They waited and waited, I think, for this relationship to move forward. But they felt it just kind of backfired. Somebody cheated, lied or something. And they felt, what's the point? What's the point? I'm the only one getting hurt in this connection. I don't trust my person anymore. I'm angry and I'm upset with their behavior. Queen of Swords in reverse. Yes, they felt this was imbalanced, this connection. They felt their partner was probably breadcrumbing them, giving them very little. It was always one side giving more than the other. So the world, why is that open, Spirit then? Why is it? Somebody is still wishing and hoping, that's the point. Even though you guys are pissed off at each other, one or both of you are still wishing and hoping that one day, we can put our barriers down, one day we can work things out, and not ready to completely end this chapter either. Even though there is a lot of sadness, there's a lot of regret, there's also equally a lot of passion for each other as well. So, Four of Cups in reverse. Four of Cups in reverse. Four of Cups in reverse. Somebody is depressed because as much as they want to heal this connection, they want their broken heart to be repaired, they haven't got an apology yet. They don't see the work coming towards them to fix this connection. And that's putting, I think, this Queen of Pentacles or Queen of Swords into a kind of sadness. They do want to I think they've made a decision now, maybe to go towards something new, maybe pursue a new path in their life, something that will be more exciting, and not have to stay in this regret and sorrow for the rest of their life. Always have to look back and say, this didn't work out, this didn't work out. So I think somebody is now wanting to start something fresh and new so that they can come out of this depression now. Yes, things are stagnant now because oh wow, I have the Empress twice in the last row. Then 3 cards I have the Empress twice now. This Empress has decided to kind of halt this connection at the moment. They're saying, I've always felt abandoned, left out in the cold. I think it's my turn now. I'm going to leave this connection behind. I'm no longer interested now. Let them feel what I felt, right? All this while. Because somebody suddenly realized their power. Somebody's really leveled up, and maybe they've done a lot of healing after being betrayed or after feeling their anger and distrust or whatever. I think this person has finally, taken time to heal themselves and figure out what creates the conflict in this connection. I think all the secrets are finally out now, and somebody is now no longer waiting. Yeah, somebody is no longer waiting, no longer sitting in indecision or waiting to be just one option or waiting for the other person to make a decision. I think somebody here is openly, saying it now that, hey, listen, I'm out. I'm not going to stay in conflict any longer. This has been too conflicting for me. It's given me too much upset in my life. I have healed now from whatever has hurt me, and I've made my own choice. I've made a decision, and I choose me. I'm choosing me this time. So, Empress, would you like to say something? Empress? Oh, Empress says, there was no investment put in this connection, Omkara Tarot. Nobody ever really did the right thing here. My partner was always rude and mean to me, never did anything right by me, and never invested in this connection when it was time. This made me very unhappy. It drained me out. I was always emotionally dissatisfied. So I've decided, since now I've figured out that I am the Empress, I'm heading out to a brand new beginning and a fresh new start for myself. This Empress has now learned to be generous to themselves, which is fantastic. This is really good. So, yes, the ball is in the other person's court from what I see. This Empress has done whatever was possible, whatever they could do, and now they're saying, I'm out, the ball is in your court. If you want me, now you chase me. I'm not coming towards you. So this could be kind of a twin flame kind of a connection where earlier one person was chasing, the other was running. Now I think the Empress is running. Let's see what's going to happen next. Will this King of Swords realize their mistakes and chase after the Empress? We'll get to know in our next reading. So till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.